Hey there, creators! Welcome to Peter AI Lab channel. Ever wished you could turn your ideas into professional videos or a podcast in minutes? Look at this.
Stay fit without training too much. Life's hectic, and carving out gym time feels impossible, right? Here's the secret. You don't need hours of training.
The video you've watched was made in just a few minutes by Fliki AI. It's a platform that transforms text into high-quality videos, voiceovers, and more. Now, let me show you how easy it is to create stunning content with Fliki AI. Ready? Let's go! Use the link up here or in the description below to visit the website and log into your account. If you're new, signing up is super simple. It is always fastest to sign up with Google account. Tell them little about your background so they can help you better. Next, select what you want to create. Today, I'll show you how to make an idea to video project. Simply type your idea here. They will transform to a perfect script for you in just a few seconds. You can choose the length of your video and upload your own videos as you wish. If you want your video more than 1 minute long, you need to have the upgraded version. Now choose the characters for video, like tone, purpose, and audience, or you can skip this step. This is the aspect ratio of your video. If you want to make YouTube Short or TikTok, choose the first one, Instagram for the second one, and YouTube Video for the last one. Add background music for that extra vibe. Now, here's where the magic happens. Your video appears with an eye-catching title and separated scenes. Tweak the subtitles to match your style.
And carving out gym time feels impossible, right? Here's the secret. You don't need hours of training to keep your body in shape.
When you're happy with the result, hit download your video. Choose the resolution that fits your needs, whether it's for social media, presentations, or professional projects. The free version allows you to have 720p and with watermark. If you want higher resolution and without watermark and some of other benefits, you need to upgrade your plan. And you're done! Fliki AI isn't just about saving time, it's about unlocking your creativity. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or entrepreneur, this tool empowers you to focus on what truly matters, your message. That's it for today. To unlock Fliki's full potential and enjoy premium features, upgrade to the Pro plan. It's a game changer for serious creators. Click on the link in the description to get started. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tools and tips. Thanks for watching and keep creating.